Okay. All right, L, can you count? Can you count your chips? 1. Okay, can you count? Teacher Donna will listen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
14,
14, 15, 16, 17. 2 more. L, 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. We need 19. Okay, 1, 9. 1, 9. 19.
พ่อครูเรียกให้ทำเองเลย
Okay.
เขายังไม่ได้
Eclair, Eclair. Eclair, do you have 19? 19? Yes? Okay, very good. Eclair, L and Eclair, 19. Very good. How about Sun? Okay, very good. Oscar. Aurora, good morning. Aurora. Oscar, what are you eating? Are you eating rice?
19, 20.
Okay. Sun, finish. Okay. Are you finished? Are you finished?
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, finish. Very good. All right. So, okay, Sun finished. Eclair finished, right? Okay. Very good. Oscar, are you finished, Oscar? Hello?
Yay!
Okay, yeah. Now, Teacher Donna wants to see your bingo card. I want to see your bingo card. Okay, please show me. Show me your bingo card. Show me your bingo card, please. Please. Your bingo card. Okay. L, check. Very good. Sun, check. Very good. Oscar, check. Very good. Eclair. Eclair, where's the one that you made? Withdrawing. Do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me? Show me the one withdrawing. No drawing. Same with Oscar. The one that you draw. Did you draw? Did you draw? Like this? Like this?
Eclair,
Like this? Do you have it, Eclair? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so we are going to start our bingo. Eclair, I think you have it, right? Teacher Donna will check. Did you send in line, Eclair? Did you do your homework? I think you have it. Okay, wait a minute. Teacher will check. Did you do your homework, Eclair? Okay. Anyway, it's okay. So you can draw. You can do it later. Okay. All right. So, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Wait. You say. Yes.
Yes.
Bingo. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Bingo.
Yes, bingo.
Again, you say.
Yes, bingo.
B-I-N-G-O. You say
Yes, bingo.
B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O. Bingo.
Bingo.
B-I-N-G-O. Bingo. Bingo. Okay. All right. So now teacher Donna I am going to, okay, teacher will show you first, okay? Wait a minute. All right.
Look.
So teacher Donna will explain first. Everybody say, listen carefully.
Okay.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Okay. So you are going to, for example, teacher Donna will say, teacher Donna will say, bird, bird. So you are going to find the bird and you have to put it, okay? Like put chips on the bird, okay? Listen, this is example first. And then, listen. Eclair, listen first. And then after that, if you make it like straight, for example, yes, you say bingo, okay?
Bingo.
But if only, okay, listen, if only 1, 2, 3, 4, and no, bingo, you will not say bingo. Again, listen. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4. This one straight. If you put the chips like straight, there's chips, then it's bingo, okay? Okay, for example, all right, so teacher Donna she's here. Okay, teacher Donna will explain. For example, this one, all right? So we have here, all right, so we have here this one, there's like have growing and have. You have to listen. If you, for example, this one, okay, I say number, okay, letter B, when I say ant. Oh, so you have to find, but you are still anuban. So teacher Donna, you are still small. So I will make it special and easy. So when I say ant, you have to find the picture and put chips, okay, on the picture. One chip for one picture. Okay? And then, okay, listen. Okay, teacher will explain first. And then when you completed all these lines, one, yes, you say bingo. Okay? Okay. But if, for example, yes, no bingo. Okay? Okay. L, listen. Another example. If you get it, 1, yes. This one completed, you say bingo. If 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, no bingo. Okay? One straight, bingo. One straight, bingo. And this one, 1, 7, 13, 19, bingo too. Okay, so this one, bingo. Okay?
Bingo.
Yes. Okay, is it okay? Understand?
Okay, stand.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. Let's have again. Teacher Donna will repeat again. L. Okay, teacher will ask you. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bingo. Yes or no?
Yes.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5. No. bingo. Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All yes. This one. All yes. Bingo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So how about this one? 2, 7, 12, 16. This one. Bingo. 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. But this one. 2, 7, 12. This one only 3 and this one no bingo. Okay? Understand? Okay. Now, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, last one. If 1, 7, 18, 1, 7, 18, bingo 2. Okay? Like complete. It's bingo. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay. You have to listen. You have to listen, okay? Teacher Donna will share the screen now. Okay, wait a minute.
ต่อไปน้องแอมนะ
Okay.
เอาแล้วเอาไปก็ม่วงอยากอยู่ในรถ
So you have to tell me, okay? You have to.
แม่
Wait a minute. You have to look.
เนี่ยเป็นลูก
no teacher
Okay.
เป็นไหนอะเอ๊ะ
ลองก่อนเวท
Hey, no. Wait.
Mm.
Okay, Teacher Donna will put it here just like this. Okay, so Teacher Donna will circle the picture too, so that I know if it's finished or not. All right, are you ready?
เล่
Ready? Okay.
ใช้จ่ายไหม
Wait.
นั่งกับพี่เลยนะ
ผมจะต้องโครงการมา7 โมงกว่า
อืม
ผมก็เลย7 โมงกว่า
Okay. Wait a minute.
ของพี่อ่ะเจ้าของมาแล้ว
All right. Okay. So listen. Everybody first. Please say.
เราคือลูกค้าต้องมองใช่ไหม
See everyone. I want to see everyone. Okay, there you go.
ลูกค้าโอนกลับมา
Oh, where's Kim? Okay, there you go. So, listen carefully. Everybody say, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay. Now, please put chips on yellow flower. Yellow flower. Yellow flower. You have to put chips, okay? Put
คือผม
chips
จะรู้ว่า
on
บ้าน
yellow
เจ๊ของเขา
flower.
ที่ว่าเอาร้านเก้าถูกไหมมาแล้วกับตัวนี้
Finish?
ที่ไหน
Yellow flower. This one, okay? You have to put chips. You have to put chips. Yellow flower. If it is under bingo, it's okay. Okay, just put chips. Oscar, do you have it? Yellow flower. Next. Okay, next picture, you have to put chips on mushroom. Mushroom. Put chips on the mushroom.
เป็นนั่งเขียน
L.
yes
Did you put chips on the mushroom?
yes
Yes, okay. Next one. Oh, wait, where is my cursor? Teacher Donna cannot find. Next one. Okay, there you go. Please put chip on the tree. 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 Okay, if it is, you say bingo. Okay, for example, you have to put chip, and then
Okay.
you get it correct, like complete, just one.
Yes,
This one
right.
is bingo. Okay, now I want you to put a chip on the berry. Berry.
ต้องมีตัวสาก่อน
Berry.
มีตัวสา
Berry. Can I see your card?
เขายังไม่ได้เขียน N L T U
Again, one more. We have yellow flower, mushroom, tree. Next
Tree.
one, please put a chip. Oh, we have berry too on the snake. Snake. Yes, snake. Okay. Wait, where's my cursor? Wait a minute, Teacher Donna cannot find. My cursor. Okay, there you go. So, again, put a chip on the snake. Snake. Snake.
Snake.
Sun, snake. Okay, you have to put. Eclair, do you have your card? Eclair? Yes or no? Okay, it's okay, all right? You can draw later, all right? Tomorrow we will play bingo, all right? Okay, next one. Please put a chip on the ladybug. Ladybug. Did you do it? I mean, did you complete? Who's bingo already? Bingo. Not yet? Keen, bingo, not yet?
Not yet.
How
Not
about
yet.
Sun, bingo, not yet?
Yes, not yet.
Not yet. How about Eclair? Not yet?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now put the chip on the cloud. Put a chip on the cloud.
แหวนมันหลาย
Cloud. Okay, cloud.
ฟัง
Du-du-du-du.
เมฆค่ะเมฆวางที่เมฆ
All right, you have it? Yes or no?
ไม่รู้ว่าที่พื้น
Yes or no? Cloud.
ไม่ต้องมายุ่งกับกระดาษ
ซันบิงโก้เร็วบิงโก้เร็วบิงโก้เร็วบิงโก้บิงโก้
Oh, there's one bingo. Okay, Teacher Donna, we will have 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 bingo today. 3 bingo.
3 บิง
One
โก้
bingo, right? Okay, 2 more winners. Next, please put. All right, put a chip on the pink flower.
ของหนูไง
Pink
1
flower.
2แล้วก็3 3บิงโก้
เป็นหน้านี้เป็นหน้า
นี่ไง1
Pink flower.
2ยาว3
กินบิงโกกินบิงโก
Bingo,
4
Kim.
บิงโก้
บิงโก
Oh,
บิงโก้
now bingo, Kim bingo. Okay, wait. Teacher Donna wants to hear. Keen first. Keen, can you tell me what are your bingo, like what items, what things?
พิงพิงโก
3
เน็ก
เส้นแบบ
เบอร์รี่
วันนี้หลัง2
Yay! Everyone, very good. Please take a picture, Keen, okay? Take a picture.
เอาตัว
Alright.
3 ตัวที่
Okay.
ก็คือได้บิง
And
โก
next
แล้ว
one,
คือ
we
เราไม่
have
เคยเล่นบิงโก
Sun. Sun.
แต่
Sun,
พออยาก
what's
ดู
your
แบบนี้
bingo,
มันก็
Sun?
3 อันด้วยกี่อันนี้เหรอก็3 บิงโกเลย
Sun, what's your bingo? Can you tell me, Sun?
ไปทำมันก่อนแล้ว จริงๆเขาต้องมาสรุปก่อนที่จะ
What's your bingo? Which one? Which one?
บิงโก
Yes, can you tell me what pictures? What picture?
บิงโกบิงโก
Sun, what picture? Can you tell me?
บิงโก
What picture? What picture? Which one?
เดี๋ยวน้องไม่ได้ยาถ่ายรูปให้กับ
Sun, Sun, can you tell me?
บิงโกไอ้กินบิงโกอันที่นี่
Yes, very good, Kid. Okay, let's have L first. Sun, tell me what pictures, okay? L first, L,
ไม่
L.
ได้หรอ
yes
Declare it's okay. Tomorrow we will have bingo again, okay? You can draw, okay? Very good. Declare it's okay. Tomorrow we will make video, we will have bingo again. Never mind.
บิงโก
Okay,
บิงโก
L, can you tell me what picture?
It's funny. It's funny.
Okay, L, what's your L? Please take a picture. L, take a picture.
Okay, picture.
L, what? Can you tell me what picture, please?
Picture.
Yes. Okay, very good. L, take a picture, okay?
Okay.
Let's have Oscar and Eclair. Oscar and Eclair. Oscar and Eclair. Oscar, are you bingo? Yes or no?
กลายเป็นว่าบ้านขายได้
Oscar, okay, listen. Those who did not,
เป็นลูกค้า
okay, listen. Those who were not able to play bingo, Eclair, it's okay. Tomorrow we will have bingo again. Okay? Okay, Eclair? Okay? Okay, it's okay. Tomorrow we will play bingo again. And you have to draw and color, okay? Just like what Kid, L, Sun, and Oscar did, okay? You are still very good. Okay, very good, Eclair. How about Oscar? Tomorrow we will play bingo again. Okay? Okay? Okay, very good. So we learned today for bingo, Kid, Sun, and L. L, take a picture, okay, and send to line. All right. Okay, so Teacher Donna will say bye-bye. And to those who did not play, tomorrow morning we will play bingo again. Right? Eclair, is it okay? Eclair. Okay. Goodbye, everybody. Bye-bye. Very good. You are very good today. Eclair. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, L. Sun, bye-bye. Oscar, bye-bye. Eclair, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah. See you tomorrow. See you later. Okay. Bye.